The standing cable chest press with dual hook straight bar resembles a standing variation of the barbell bench press. This primarily targets the muscles in your chest while engaging your core for stability. Here's how to do it correctly. Attach a dual hook straight bar to both sides of a cable machine with the pulleys positioned at chest level. Stand facing away from the cable machine, gripping the bar with both hands using an overhand palms facing down grip. Stand with your feet in a staggered stance for better balance. Engage your core and keep your chest lifted and shoulders back for good posture. Step forward to create tension in the cables and bring the bar to your chest with your elbows bent and tucked in at a 45-degree angle to your sides. Exhale as you push the bar straight out in front of you, fully extending your arms while keeping your elbows slightly soft. Focus on contracting your chest muscles as you press. Keep your feet firmly planted and core tight for stability while avoiding arching your back as you press forward. Inhale as you slowly bring the bar back towards your chest, keeping your elbows tucked in and controlled. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.